What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We out here in the RSX. Today we're gonna be switching out some parts. We got my boy Tito here. Come on, Tito. Bro, he always getting out of the gate, man. I don't know how. So I was driving my car the other day. I was driving to the gym, and for some reason, like my clutch pedal was acting like, I don't know. I felt like it was pretty softer than usual. So I was like, man, I should probably, like, you know, check it out. Maybe it's like leaking fluid or something. Turns out there was coolant like all over my engine bay, and I noticed my upper radiator hose, it had a rip in it, and it was just squirting like coolant everywhere. But yeah, we're just gonna be replacing that today. I did a quick fix the other day. I just put like tape around it. You'll see it right now. So we're back at my cousin's house again. Thank you, Angel, for letting me use the driveway. So here I got the hose from, you know, AutoZone. Hopefully this fits. Kind of looks a little thinner, and then we're gonna might as well take this out, take the old one out and switch it out. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, where the hose started leaking from. I just put tape on it because, you know, it was like in the middle of my work week and I didn't have time for it. But yeah, you can see all the dried up coolant everywhere. Luckily this isn't leaking from the clutch master. And yeah, and then this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is all messed up. You hear the little squeaky noise? It'd be making that noise like at a red light, and it's just annoying. Every time you open it, you can't like lift this up. You gotta like grab the whole thing. I thought I could probably switch out the latch, the hood latch, whatever, but nah, it's just broken from the inside. And I feel like one day this thing's just gonna come right off, and my hood's just gonna, you know, break my windshield on the freeway or something. Alright, so I was able to take off the bumper. Time to take the radiator support, T-bar, whatever you guys call it. So it looks like, from what I remember, I believe it's this one, the bracket, the one bolt that's all the way down there. You see that?
Yep.
Nice. Alright. Alright guys, so I think I was right. Yep. Oh, connector right.
Finally.
Nice. They look the same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah. See how it squeaks?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So yeah, I was right. So there's gonna be a bolt right here, the bracket for the radiator, and then another bracket for the radiator. Bolt. No wait, bolt, and another bolt right here. Yeah, it should come right out. There you go.
What is that?
It's where the this goes. When it comes down, it clicks on this.
Oh, I see.
There you go. Just trash. Word. Yeah, that's trash.
Alright, peace out. Bye bye, trash. That is gone now.
Alright, so we're gonna replace this hose right here. Dang, this thing's dirty. It's dried up coolant. I'm gonna clean this for sure. Jesus. Alright, so we took off the intake, so that way, you know, it's not in the way. Whatever. Should fit. Hold on. Yeah, right? Look at that. Should fit, right? Alright. So we put a bucket under, just in case, I don't know. It's not gonna catch everything, but you know, it's better than nothing.
Moment of truth.
I don't even think anything's gonna come out.
Yeah. I think you're good. Wait.
Yeah,
Very good.
nothing. Wow. There you go. Alright.
Oh, green.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna fit, bro. I think it's gonna fit on this side though, look. Yeah, for sure on this side it'll fit. Yeah. Just gotta force it. Yeah. There you go.
Wait.
I think I gotta force this one too. I'm pretty sure it'll fit. Ow.
Yeah, you gotta force it.
There you go. Yeah, it'll fit. Yeah. Hey, bro. Like, if I ever make it big, like, I'll for sure have you as my camera guy, dude, and I'll pay you.
I say less. It's gonna happen one day. It fits, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Looking good, looking good. Nice. All right. Yeah, that's it.
And it's in. So we had a little
Hey, let me know
mix
if
up
you,
right here.
if you see it move.
Got it. So as you can see, this side is straight and this side is actually bent, so I had to hold this down while he did that. Yeah, go. Nice. Yep. It was already up.
So it went up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Whoa! I had the other one right here too. You could have used it.
Nice. Look at that shit.
I have this one too. This one's less torque. It's only like 12 volts or less.
Boy.
Yeah, 12 volts. It's 20 right there.
20? You're 20?
You're 20? Wait, hold on. Pump all that air. Nice. Stay hydrated.
Thank you. All right, guys. So we're basically done. Switched out the radiator support. Got the new latch. You know, everything bolts on. Intake back on. New radiator hose. This thing looks thin as fuck, but you know, got it from AutoZone. If you're thinking about buying it from AutoZone, Continental brand, works pretty good. You might struggle putting it onto the fitting or whatever, but you know, yeah. We bled the system and it's good to go. We also bled the master clutch line because I don't know, I felt kind of like loose the other day and I was kind of tripping out and I don't want to go through problems, so I just put in some new fluid and bled out the old fluid out. Maybe it'll last longer, I don't know.
All right, we're gonna test out the new hood latch. So first we're gonna close it. Obviously, you know, we gotta make sure. Boom.
One-handed or no?
Ah! Yeah, kind of hurt.
See? Let me try.
Why, you couldn't do it with one hand before?
No, you would have to. Well, I mean, yeah, with one hand, but like.
Woo!
Before you would have to grab the whole thing and fucking.
Oh shit.
Now you can just,
Oh yeah, because it was bent or something.
yeah,
No?
now you can, yeah, now you can just go with this.
Nice. Beautiful. Hey, you got a haircut?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I totally forgot to do an outro on this video. More videos coming soon. Get this one uploaded. I just want to say a quick thanks to all you guys that are subscribed. I just hit 400 subscribers, 404 to be exact, but you hit 400. If I want to get the subscribers, I gotta be uploading more, and that's just how it is. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one later.